If you want to add your dual clock widget to your home screen over your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, locate your home screen and hold your finger on any blank space. Now let's press Widget. Scroll down right to your clock. Open it up, and here we gotta find our dual clock. Now choose it and press Add. So there it is. Now let's adjust it. So tap on it. First of all, let's set the city number 1. I will use my current location, which is Prague. And let's set up the city number 2. So tap on it. And let's use Indianapolis, for example. So choose it, press change, and there you are. Now if you're gonna hold your finger and press settings, you will be able to adjust your first city, second city, enable or disable the background, day and night colors. Also, you can set up a light theme, dark theme, or match phone settings, and you can set up your transparency. Press save, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.